Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Airdrop not working on iPhone. Airdrop is an ad hoc network service in the iOS and Mac OS operating system which allows you to transfer files among the supported computers and iOS devices via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi without mail or mass storage devices. AirDrop has been one of iPhone's users' favorite feature since its launch, making it easy to instantly share photos, videos, and files with nearby Apple devices. However, many of you reflect an issue AirDrop not working on iPhone. But don't worry, in this video I will tell you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number one is to check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Ensure that the proper operation of AirDrop on iPhone. It is necessary to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So when you have the problem with AirDrop on iPhone, your first thought is to check if the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your device are in a good condition. After this, then you have to do is turn off personal hotspot. Another factor contributing to AirDrop working failure on your device is the personal hotspot. If you enable personal hotspot while using AirDrop, then it will prevent the airdrop from working. That's because personal hotspot feature also depend on the Wi-Fi network. So you have to make sure that the personal hotspot is turned off. Then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Our next step is to restart the iPhone. If the mobile phones run for too long, the phone will run slowly and airdrop may crash. Restart your iPhone can clean up operating programs to release the memory and restore the operating speed. So you have to simply open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is ensure iPhone is unlocked. A logged iPhone is not a device that can use AirDrop to receive files. If you want to make an AirDrop with others, ensure that both phones doing this activity are turned on and unlocked. After unlocking the iPhone and still facing the issue, then you have to do is bring both devices closer. Since there is a distance limitation of AirDrop, the distance between two devices should be with 30 feet. Considering AirDrop is entirely run via Bluetooth without internet access. If the devices are too far apart, they won't receive each other's signals. If a AirDrop is not working on your iPhone, I will suggest you to bring both devices closer. If these all steps still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset network settings. As you may know, if there is something bad with your Wi-Fi connections, then iPhone AirDrop will not able to function properly. Another resort to resolve it is to restoring all network settings on your iPhone to default state. This method applies to all issues resulting from network failures, so your AirDrop issue can be tackled. So you have to open the settings, then go to the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter a passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.